Meaning of hath.
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 Hath. Hath is an archaic form of the word has, which means to possess or own something, or to be in a state of a certain condition or have a certain quality. The word hath was commonly used in English language during the Middle Ages and Renaissance period until the 17th century, before it gradually fell out of use. Today, it is mostly used in literature or historical writings to create a sense of old-fashioned language or style. In essence, hath is just another way of saying has, but with a more traditional or poetic flair.